Hi friends, it's so lovely to have you here today. We're making one of my absolute favorites, a super simple roasted cabbage dish. Start with 1 or 2 small heads of cabbage. Cut each one into 4 pieces. Pour about 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a small bowl. Add a little salt to taste. Sprinkle in some smoked paprika. Add just a touch of sesame seeds. Cut a lime in half. Squeeze out the fresh juice. Mix everything well to make the marinade. Now brush each piece of cabbage with this lovely marinade. I like to use a sprig of rosemary. It gives such a fragrant touch. Let the cabbage rest and marinate for about 20 minutes. Next, slice 1 zucchini. Cut it into medium pieces. Peel an onion. Slice it lengthwise into medium pieces. Slice a sweet bell pepper. Friends, we may never meet again here. Don't lose me, subscribe now, and I'll always be by your side. Slice the leek. Don't chop it too finely. Cut a tomato into 4 pieces. Take a whole head of garlic and cut it in half. Place all the chopped vegetables into a baking dish. Friends, let me know in the comments which country you are watching from. I would love to hear. Spread the vegetables evenly in the dish. Place the 2 garlic halves on top. Add a little more salt. Sprinkle with black pepper. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, pour some olive oil into a frying pan. The cabbage has marinated beautifully, so it's time to sear it. Place the cabbage pieces into the pan. Sear them nicely on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the golden pieces onto a plate. The aroma is absolutely irresistible. Makes you want to try it right away. By now the vegetables are roasted. Take them out of the oven. Perfect, this looks just right. Place all the vegetables into a blender. Add the roasted garlic as well. Friends, tell me in the comments which vegetables you love to cook the most. I'll prepare a collection of recipes with your favorites. Add 1 tablespoon of tahini paste. This step is optional, but I love the flavor it gives. Blend everything until smooth. Spoon the mixture onto a plate. Smooth it out evenly. Place 2 pieces of cabbage on top. Garnish with pomegranate seeds, fresh herbs, or a bit of cheese if you like. Friends, your support means so much to me, so please subscribe and give this video a like. Be sure to try this simple, healthy, and very tasty recipe in your own kitchen. It was such a pleasure cooking with you today. I look forward to your feedback in the comments. And please let me know if you tried this recipe at home.